This is Carolina AM.
Today we're at Laser Lab, and I feel really special now because I've got special glasses on. We're with Pete, and also, though she's not been on before, lovely white Tamara. Thanks for joining us today. Don't want to talk, and that's fine because you're about to put me through some lasering.
Absolutely. So we're not wearing blue blockers. These are actually special goggles that are designed to filter out the light as a safety precaution. And BJ, you were dealing with a little bit of what we call a tennis elbow.
Yep, from pickleball.
Okay, pickleball
and I
elbow.
saved someone from a burning building. That's the other reason.
Very impressive.
Thank you.
Very impressive. So firefighters out there, we definitely can treat you also.
Yes, you're the real heroes. I just make it sound better than I did it playing pickleball.
So we're going to demonstrate the actual treatment so BJ can tell us what he's feeling as it's going on. This treatment is less than 4 minutes, so it's very quick. Generally, patients would need to have this done, I would say anywhere between 6 and 12 times. 3 times a week is an ideal treatment plan. But Tamara's going to go ahead and describe the way, or she'll go ahead and perform the procedure so you can describe the way it feels.
Yeah, honest to goodness, I can feel the plastic part touching, or the rubber, and then a little warm.
Maybe a little warm.
And that's really it.
That's it.
I mean, there's nothing, at no point am I like, ow, it's hot, or like it's, at first I wasn't even sure if it was happening. I'm like, there's some warmth to it. Yeah, this is the easiest sort of treatment I think I've ever gotten before.
It's really, really comfortable, and it doesn't matter where on the body we're treating, that comfort is always the same. There's never been a case where someone has mentioned that it's too warm. So that's one of the best things about it. Secondly, it's extremely safe.
Right.
The reason we wear the goggles is for the only safety concern, which is shining the light in your eyes.
Sure.
And we won't do that, I promise.
Right, yeah.
But otherwise, when you go home tonight, you'll drink a little more water than normal. But outside of that, you can go right from here to the pickleball courts if you'd like.
Yeah, and so why don't you describe exactly, as she's doing it, what is that laser light doing right now?
So I don't know if everyone can see, but right now the light is blinking a bit. And so that's the frequency that we talked about earlier, where these different rates of blinking, these different frequencies are going to help the energy deliver into the tissue without building up that heat. So right now we have 4 different colors of laser energy going into the tissue, and it's causing a number of chemical reactions. The first one is there's probably some inflammation in that elbow. So the inflammation will tend to be cleared out very quickly. I would expect that within the next maybe 24 to 48 hours. Number 2, if there is any active pain going on, we're going to confuse the signal that goes to the brain, so you won't feel the pain within a couple hours from now, and probably for a day or 2, it'll feel good.
Yeah.
And then number 3, the most important reaction is that we'll give all the cells in that elbow the energy that they need to do their job, which in this case is to heal. And that's as simple as we can make it. So the process doesn't happen immediately, but over the course of a few treatments, as I said, maybe we would do this 6 to 12 times over a few weeks, you'll be good to go, and the pain should be gone.
Yeah, and I can't tell you how, like, it's actually soothing to feel the little warmth as she goes around. Ridiculously easy to sit here and not feel anything discomfort or anything at all. So that's fantastic.
Absolutely, yeah. We love doing this, and we tend to make the time pass by having some good conversation. Tamara's good at that, even though she's not speaking today on camera. But please come and check us out. You can find us online at laserlabtherapy.com, and give us a call at 843-376-9322.
Yeah, and the future is so bright. When you're in here, you will have to wear shades, at least when this laser is on. More Carolina AM coming up.